Well, hello there, YouTube. It's a pretty nice day out. It's Monday, September 11th. And we've had some cloud cover. I think this week we're only supposed to get in the mid-70s. It's going to be awesome. So I'm taking the Spyder out for a little ride. Haven't had this out in months. I drove the Goldwing last Saturday. It was still like in the 95. It still got pretty hot, but it wasn't in the triple digits. So I'm riding the Spyder this time. I'm glad I got both of them. I like riding both of them. Can't ride all summer. It's been so stinking hot. God, I don't even go outside in the summer. You stay inside in the air conditioning. Ooh, shop's looking good. Gotta stay in the air conditioning when it's 110. You go outside, it's like an oven. Man, it's beautiful today, though. I'll turn on a little bit. Well, hello there, YouTube. Came down to Buc-ee's and I forgot my wallet. Not that I was going to get anything, but everything's really expensive there. You can't get a sandwich for under $10. No, I didn't look to see how much gas was. I don't need gas. And they quit making all the chocolate covered pretzels that my wife loved. You could get milk chocolate and peanut butter in one, or dark chocolate and peanut butter, and they were just so good. They just discontinued them. Don't even have them anymore. And that was their biggest seller. They sold out of those things all the time. I would buy 3 bags. Oh well, stoplight.